Hi dog lovers, I'm Jess from Chewy, here today with some amazing treats any dog would drool over. True Chews. True Chews are honest to goodness, 100% natural dog treats made with all the best ingredients. They're crafted in the USA with US sourced chicken, beef, turkey, or pork as the #1 ingredient. So your dog gets the delicious boost of protein he craves. And there are so many True Chews that it'll be hard to choose just one. I'm in.
Bad news, man. The comps are headed your way. Just choose the best one and get out of there.
How can I choose just one? They're all so delicious.
Don't be stupid. Just get out of there, man.
Bing! Bing! Bing!
Officers are on the scene.
The premium grillers feature an authentic grilled taste any dog would bark for. Premium jerky cuts are slow roasted and feature a chewy texture that'll keep your pup satisfied. They even have a variety of jerky cuts like their premium chicken jerky cuts that are made from chicken raised with no antibiotics ever. Premium recipes are available in tasty flavor combinations like pork and chicken sausage, chicken and apple sausage, and chicken bacon. Yum! Premium morsels are meaty, mouth-watering, and perfectly sized, making them great for anytime treating. And grain-free bakes start with premium chicken plus tasty blueberries. They're great for any dog, including those with grain sensitivities. With all these options cooked to canine-approved perfection, your dog is sure to love whichever chew you choose. True Chews wants the best for your dog. That's why they don't include any corn, wheat, soy, animal byproducts, or artificial flavors or preservatives. So for the treats that'll tempt your dog with protein-packed taste and the perfect texture, try True Chews. I'm Jess from Chewy. See y'all later. Bye. Woof woof. Bork bork.